Hello, this is Aadil again, letting you know that I'm teaching a specific day workshop on Sunday from 11:30 in the morning to 6 in the evening. 2 workshops in this one day. The first is have a strong spine and strong life for the shoulders, neck and upper back. Then the second workshop, 3:30 to 6, is on lower back. So it's all about the spine and the upper back, neck and the lower back. The spine is crucial for our health. In fact, the nerves that reach the body from the brain all pass through the central nervous system, which is in the middle of the spine. From there, the nerves leave the spine and go into all the organs and all the cells of your body. Having a strong and healthy spine is having a happy body. In yoga, we say, how healthy are you? It depends upon how healthy your spine is. That is why I have decided to teach this special workshop. Because I travel around the world and I teach workshops around the world, you will have the opportunity to study with me directly on January 13th, which is a Sunday. The first workshop on the upper back, the second workshop on the lower back. I'll teach you what to do to relieve day-to-day pain. I'll teach you little tricks that I have learned over the last 35, 40 years of teaching teachers. And I will teach you how to prevent lower back strain from sitting in chairs or even when flying on an airplane. I'll show you how to hold your body and how to use a prop so that you don't have pain. It's going to be a fascinating day, and I look forward to seeing you so that you too can have a healthy spine, just as I have been blessed with so many injuries and still my spine is healthy because I take care of it. See you on Sunday, February 13th.